Hello guys, this is Muhammad Adil, your host for the day. Today we'll be unboxing the new iPhone 13 Pro which was launched back in September 2021. So currently I got a chance to purchase this one. It's iPhone 13 Pro 256GB variant. So let us begin with the unboxing. I have already opened it up. So just a quick glimpse ki what are the inside contents. We'll be just seeing it shortly. We have some cards and obviously we don't have anything else in the box. So we'll be keeping this front panel. This is the set. We'll be coming on to it later. And we have got the Type C cable, and there is nothing else in the box. As you can see, you do not expect anything from iPhone that they'll be providing charger or something. You have to purchase it from outside. Now this is a real beauty. Trust me, when I hold this in hand, it really feels different. I wasn't a iPhone user, but currently I am switching to iPhone. So basically I'll be using it for some time and then I'll be telling you the review of it, how it has been and what is my experience after using it. So I'll be posting a video regarding it after maybe a month or so, but let's just quickly turn it on. Till the time you can check the specification, I'll be providing it. But let me brief you. The CPU that is used in this iPhone is currently A15. That is the bionic chip that is hyped in iPhone. It has a CPU speed of two processors of 3.2 gigahertz and 4 into. Now coming on to the processor cores, it is a hexa-core processor with a 6 GB of RAM. The GPU which is there in it, it's Apple GPU 5-core graphics, and the dimensions of the phone is 146.7 into 71.5 into 7.65. I guess it's a little bit on the heavier side as it weighs around 200 odd grams. And let me quickly show you the storage. quickly open the settings. Let me back it. Let me open the mail. Let me back it. The app store, everything. I haven't set it up yet, but we'll be setting it up and we'll be posting a detailed video regarding it soon. So thank you everyone. Thank you for joining and thank you for showing your love and support. Jai Hind. I'll be posting a video soon regarding the usage. I'll be using it up and then I'll be telling you more details that how the phone is and what is my experience from switching in onto iPhone after using almost 6 to 7 years on Android. So thank you everyone. See you shortly.